Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the sprayer. Check seals, wand, and hose so leaks won't waste pressure. Next, measure concentrate. Mix at 1 to 9 if using a strong chemical, because correct ratio protects plants and pump. Once done, pour the diluted mix into the tank slowly to the max fill line, leaving headspace for pumping. Make sure the lid seats squarely and the safety valve moves freely. This prevents sudden pressure loss and keeps the pump primed for smooth operation. You now pressurize the unit by pumping the handle. Expect 20 to 30 firm strokes until you feel resistance, because consistent pressure gives an even spray. Then set the nozzle. Twist to a narrow stream for distant spots, or open to a fan for broad coverage, since nozzle shape controls droplet size and drift. While spraying, move steadily at a 30 to 50 centimeter distance, sweeping across targets. If pressure drops, stop and repressurize. Keeping motion steady prevents over-application. You finish by releasing pressure using the relief valve. Never open the tank under pressure, because safety matters. Once depressurized, open and rinse the tank, wand and nozzle thoroughly to prevent clogs and corrosion, and store dry. If the sprayer gives a weak or uneven pattern, cleanse the nozzle screen and soak the tip briefly. Trapped debris or crystallized concentrate is the usual cause. Finally, test spray with water after reassembly to confirm consistent pressure and pattern before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.